How to remove a repost on TikTok. So there's ways to remove your own posts, but there's ways to remove the repost reels that you see and that you repost on your own TikTok account. So go to TikTok and go to your profile at the far right side here. What you normally will see is all of your own posts that you have posted yourself. But what you can do is go over to the repost section, which is the two arrows that look like they're chasing each other. So go ahead to there, and then you'll find your repost. So what you have to do is click on the repost. I'll just pause that for a second. And what you see here is at the far bottom left corner, it says you reposted. So all you have to do is go ahead and click that. And then what you want to do is click reposted. And then what you want to do is select remove repost. So that is going to remove it, and you can go back to your profile, and there it is. It's completely gone. So it's real easy to go to your repost section on TikTok and choose posts that you may want to get rid of, or you can also edit them as well, putting captions and things like that too. So it's real easy to do, and that's it.